One more.
I'm not taking this. Ooh, suspicious. Ooh, got me guys.
You good with yours?
Lots of stuff.
Yeah, I'll keep it.
Yeah, I'll keep this one.
Yep.
Cover ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
Slower.
My folk.
Veal.
Mm-hmm.
You're done.
I'm not doing anything.
Well, it tapped me.
Sorry, it feels wrong. So does this. Smallpox?
Your whole deck just feels wrong.
Each player loses.
Each player loses a life. Lose a life.
Okay.
Count it.
Oh, fuck. I just remembered what you're playing. And I'm playing Burn. That's just bullshit.
Each player discards a card.
It's hilarious bullshit.
Just shut up, mate. This is just
Cover
terrible.
ourselves.
Yeah,
Slower.
alright, fine.
Mm-hmm.
Let's discard Blaze.
Each player sacrifices a creature. Oh no. Each player sacrifices a land.
Screen.
Are you shitting me?
Jump hide slower.
Oh my god.
Tap for any colour.
Mm-hmm.
Your turn.
Yours.
End of yours, sack this.
He kept a one land hand. I smallboxed it. I thought you found another one.
Shock. 17.
I was shocked.
You know that more land.
Guide.
Yeah.
Swing. Trigger. Go.
I'm chucking that in.
Damage.
Oh, this is funny.
Helix, Sliver.
I've got to try and hold on to cards now.
You don't have to. I haven't played any
See.
cracks or anything.
Stay on 20.
You're gonna.
Smallbox.
Okay, so I lose one life.
Yes.
16. Then what do we do? We
Continue.
discard a card.
Yes. Discard a card.
I want to try and get this one. Oh, I can't. Oh, you're such a tit. Right.
Yep.
Sack a creature.
Yep.
End of
Destroy
yours.
land.
Burn Sliver.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'll play...
Count
Well,
it.
where's your land?
I've
Mm-hmm.
already sacked it. Yes.
Crimstone 9.
If you have one or two cards in hand, you take 3 damage. Yes.
Green.
Mm-hmm.
Virulent Sliver.
Remand.
Go.
Yep.
Another land.
I can't counter it,
Oh yeah. So yeah, that makes sense.
but I draw.
Yeah. Keep the forget that you can target it, but it just doesn't get counted.
That's it.
So this one on the odd line out, but there's no way I'm going to
Bit
get
of
to
combat?
play it.
Yeah.
Yes.
So have
Okay.
poisonous 1. So,
So,
do I take damage and
So
poison?
yeah, so you
For
take
this?
1 damage and
Okay.
then 2 instances of
You've got
poison.
2 cards in hand. Fearless.
Resurrect comes with poison.
Just use
Okay.
this
Right,
die because we don't
beginning
have
of
anything on the
phase
overlay.
Upkeep.
Sure.
That's
The
poison.
rat does X
My go?
damage at player X.
Yeah.
Don't poisoning
Is-
me?
3
but no.
minus the number of cards in this hand. Okay, cool.
Turn.
Swift is the...
Yep.
Yeah. Let's go.
Leave that.
We are 17 now.
I will enjoy myself.
Man of Confluence.
Mm-hmm.
Discard 2 cards.
What? How's this even a common?
Modern.
Modern.
Go to combat.
Discard 2
Mhm.
cards, please.
Flash in Snapcaster.
Mm-hmm.
Target Lightning Helix.
Yep.
Your turn.
Helix
You take
this one.
In response to that,
10.
activate that.
Mm-hmm.
I've got a card now.
Bring in.
Yep.
It's a new sliver.
So you take
It's
two,
+1/+1.
four.
So this one still dies.
7,
Mhm.
10.
I gain 1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
Player blocks.
Yep.
Come on,
Trade.
baby.
Mm-hmm.
Second main.
No one lives in Brighton here, do they?
No.
The A23 has
Black,
been
white.
closed after an unconfirmed report of someone being shot.
What?
What?
In Brighton.
Okay.
In Brighton, so not on the way back.
And then necrotic stuff.
A23 into Brighton. On Stamford
Okay.
Avenue, I don't know what that is.
Your turn.
+1, do both your scarf. Pass a 10, you take 12.
And that's why it's bullshit. Yours, you lose.
He's just a bit.
Which is why I like it and hate it. It's just like, Mel, yours, oh, you have any cards?
Who
Like, you
brings
didn't
a
need to
deck
say it like that.
this?
Well, I did.
Hey? I'm playing Burn, this is just pointless.
Yeah, but look how strawberry he is. He loves it.
I don't. Actually, yes, there is. Bloody right, there is. I just gotta pray to God I draw it.
The only way this could be more childish if it was a strawberry blowing raspberries.
Go.
That stops
leave
Rat.
this on
Am I
two.
right, sir.
No.
What was it?
It's triggered, not activated. Which should give you an idea.
I won't worry about it. There's always match free. I love smallpox.
I love syphilis.
Wow.
The old school, isn't it? Go for the classics.
I like pirate STDs.
Well, AIDS retro.
I was offended by this.
You're offended.
He got bell-ended.
I love the reactions of this deck. That's why I'm playing forevermore.
Fun police.
Let's go to combat.
Why?
Right, let's pray to God I just get.
In 4 5.
One of these frickin' cards.
Take 5 slivers.
I suppose in response
Okay, sure.
to not doing anything.
Okay, fine.
You didn't give me a fire.
1, 2, 3. Let's do homing sliver. So I can shoot it for a sliver, bring it to my hand. So it's sliver cycling. So I don't think can you counter cycling that?
It's an activated ability.
Oh.
Can you target it?
What?
Your command.
No, it's not bad. Same as Bloodbath.
Stifle!
You definitely don't have it on Ryan.
Stifle, you're fine.
Yeah, I know.
And Void Slime or whatever.
Oh, yes. That card.
So we're fine.
I bought 3 of those thinking it was good. I was wrong. It's alright, I've got ley lines after Sobor, so it's fine.
Oh, I can do it now. I ain't worried about ley lines. Actually, I quite prefer it. Because it's just like, you're taking damage, mate.
Yes, but why you
This
take
one is in my
the
hand.
cards that kill it out of your hand?
Okay.
And then before damage, activate this to put it into play.
You know that's actually
Oh, well. Shut up.
I'm just going to flash and snapcast and block this dude.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, trade. That's the that dies. You
Yes,
take
sir.
cool.
still 3.
Ready?
There you go.
Shock me, baby.
Sure.
Taylor?
Yep.
Swing for one!
Sure.
First blood. Off
Did
you
you
go.
say Taylor?
Yeah, Taylor Swift.
Good.
Sliver Hive.
Mm-hmm.
Red. Take 1. Mana confluence.
Mm-hmm.
Thorncaster Sliver. When they attack, deal 1 to target creature or player.
Mm-hmm.
Retreat.
Go to combat.
Mm-hmm.
Swing for 1. Take 1.
Yeah, just this one.
Oil on me, baby.
Ping you for 1 when it
Off you go.
attacks.
Raven Scrying.
What?
Raven's Cry.
Oh, not fine. Give me a. Got discard, yeah? Sure. The hills.
Retrace.
Oh, did you take two?
Yeah, I already know. Retrace Raven's Cry.
Hey, forgot about that.
What's retrace do?
Could do it again from the graveyard.
Oh.
As long as you discard
Take two.
Yeah. Alright.
Lava spike.
Almost caught.
Gonna make colonnade?
Yeah.
Block?
Yep.
I'm racking you, baby.
Over to you.
Combat.
Yep.
Declare attack first, before damage. No block. Oh, you tapped out.
That was the last one I
Target's
used, wasn't
command,
it?
you take 3 damage.
Mhm.
Powers
should be
triggers
gone,
and pump my dudes +1 +1
I wasn't
reach.
keeping
I
track.
take 2, so I
But
get
yeah, why not?
16 because I cast.
I think you should get. I think you
you
should get rid of
take
it.
in
I mean,
total
really.
2,
No, get rid of it because I actually can't remember. I'm sure people are yelling at us right now.
5,
Keep it lit.
6
Okay.
plus
I
3.
don't know. I'm getting rid of it. It's,
Okay.
You take
it's my
9 in
balls up.
total. Okay. What are you on?
Them 40k
8.
rules don't really apply to this.
Go.
Yep.
Yours.
Leave that on too.
He's doing his business now.
That's disgusting.
Mountain.
Yep.
Combat. Declare attack.
No blocks.
Yours.
4 damage.
End of yours.
Bolt you. Take 2, go to 14.
Click you.
In response.
Triggers,
Mhm.
take 2. What the hell does this
Line to
do?
play.
Destroy.
Yeah.
What? -5,
Destroy
-5.
Sack this.
This?
Yep.
Okay, sure. So bolt resolves.
Yep.
You take 3 and then take damage. Take 2.
Yep.
Cool. Go. You must be on what? 4?
I'm on 5, can't you?
No. That's 3. That's 5.
I'm from 8.
And then -2 because of Eidolon. That's 7. So you should be on 3. No, you should be on 1. I'm assuming you should be on 1.
No, definitely on 4.
Well, you were on 8. Yeah.
Cool.
So -5, -5. So you take 2. So that brings you. There's 2 damage. And then bolt resolves. That's 3. So that's 5 damage.
Cool.
Plus 2. Yeah. So you're on 8 -7. You're on 1.
Good.
Target player sacks a creature. Okay.
And yours.
It's got flying as well.
Mhm.
Vigilance flying.
So you're on 1 damage. Bollocks.
Take 7.
Because
Mhm.
I need you to play artifacts and enchantments or something. Off you go.
Play things I can destroy.
Play
And
something.
Path this.
Play
In
something.
response.
An artifact.
Tap for
enchantment.
2. 3, 4,
What have I got
5.
Go on, they kill you.
Get sliver.
That's so
Mhm.
weird.
Wait for him to get to 2.
No,
So-
no, hang on. No, wait.
That's it.
Wait
You
for him
know
to
I
get
have
to
no
2, then
basis.
let him have a chance of
Yeah, no,
killing
no,
someone
just wait a minute.
Leave that on
You're
2.
on freaking 1.
I'm casting Frag Tusk.
Yeah, I know, but why have you got no artifacts or enchantments on? Fine, it resolves.
I gain 5.
Yes, you do. Go to 6.
Sometimes you're allowed to do things like the sideboard.
Nah. That's bollocks.
Cast Raven's Cry, you discard a card.
Forest.
Take 2.
What?
You take 2.
Uh,
You kill the Idolon.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got rid of that
Attack.
ages ago.
Dismember.
ping, it's dead.
That's why we were
Never
coming
mind.
up all
How are
the
you
points.
pinging?
No, I can't because it's dead.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Before
I don't want
damage.
to.
Put that in. So
Look,
you take 2.
would have killed you.
Oh look, it raided. I don't do anything.
Yes, would have
your
done.
turn.
I would have blown up an artifact or an enchantment, and you would have taken 2 and died.
You may have yours.
Git.
Had the brace memory of them being alive.
I'm not going to do it now. Go.
You look so upset.
I was there.
Well, sort of. Can I plus 1 Lily?
response.
It's my error for not even noticing.
Bob,
Did you
you
pay
for free?
an extra 2 at the path?
Yes, you go to 3.
Because of this one? That's the only reason I got it.
I could have paid an
Yeah,
extra
yeah, that's
2.
fine.
I had 2
Yeah.
mana up. But yeah, I didn't realise
Yeah.
that. Now the chat will be angry.
Yeah.
The chat are
You
going to
do.
be
We realised late, it's fine.
Just
It's a super cash.
super good.
5 to deal you, no?
A fragilistic.
No, 3 to deal.
Take 7.
Yes.
Yeah,
got nothing.
3.
Any good spells?
Got a 4.
Go.
End of yours.
Plus
1,
1.
2.
Screw you.
I can't. 3, 4.
Swing for the win.
5.
Why didn't you play artifacts
Yeah,
and
that's what I-
enchantments?
I sided them out.
Did you not even
And
have
then
any in hand?
untap.
No, I sided them out.
Leave that on 2.
Do it in 8 rack.
I was
You've
ready
got the
for it.
rack.
I was.
What's the other 4?
So, Streak and Affliction.
Oh, so that counts as. Because
And
in
char-
Legacy there's an actual one, isn't there?
No, so close.
Like other artifact that does the same thing. Isn't it like the Vice or something?
Swing for
Oh,
10.
yeah.
Take 10.
But everyone brings in artifact removal because
Yes.
that's what everyone has.
Look at
So
it
you
all.
sideboard it out.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
What, and keep intrigue and affliction?
Oh no, you're on 14.
Yeah.
You keep Streak and Affliction in, and
And
you bring in
Drum
something.
Thumber and
Isn't there,
Yeah.
Yeah,
is it
yeah.
Liliana's Caress or something else? There's another enchantment that does the same
Game
thing.
2.
Leon's Caress.
Let's see what you get
and
with it.
there's,
So close.
There's one more, but I can't remember what it's called. But
Goes
it's
for
terrible.
2 mana confidence. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah. Game 2.
Yeah.
Then they discard their take.
Lose 1 in response.
There's something beginning with
Mike,
G.
you're horrible.
Is Megrim is 3
Yeah.
mana. does the same thing.
Yeah, that's the one I
I
think.
am a grim.
Oh,
But the copies 5 and 6
You're
of
supposed to
Liliana's
keep
Caress.
all your artifacts for enchantments then. I was just like,
but that's bad. I know that's what you're
and I
gonna
thought
say.
I was being lucky. I thought, oh, I've got distracted rubber. I'll keep that. So as soon as he plays an artifact,
No, I'm
but it
afraid,
didn't happen.
unfortunately for you, I know what you're doing.
Did you bother putting ley lines in?
No.
Yeah.
No, I didn't think you were. But I didn't expect him to get rid of all his artifacts and stuff.
No one expects.
So that just completely like, you know.
Everyone
when I-
expects the Spanish Inquisition.
Well, so
No one expects the Swedish Inquisition.
I put him down to 1. I thought I've got him there because he's going to play a rack or
But
something.
when those guys showed up, we're from the... Yeah, I know, from Spain.
Michael, wasn't you were playing on Monday where it was, I did all this dust? I think it was against Nathan actually.
Yeah.
What's the blue exile, they get a manifest then? The 2 mana
Oh,
instant.
reality shift.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Yeah.
So I had versus, was it Nathan or Tristan? I can't remember. No, it was Tristan. Had his Merfolk deck.
Yeah.
I was on like 2 life. I was like all his dust, so he loses all his creatures. Had no cards in hand either. Oh no, sorry, 1 card in hand. I was like expecting a counter spell, so he exiled one of his Merfolk,
Yep.
manifest top card of his library. Obviously, that doesn't get exiled because it's colourless, and then he
Yeah,
just
yeah.
swings to kill me. It's like, oh, for God's sake. Like, I knew that was a good card as exile, not as like a creature that's immune to Ugin and fucking
Yep.
that.
Reality shift is in my sideboard as well
I like it as a card.
because it upsets so many things at the minute.
Look, came in.
What's he won?
And no one seemed to care about it. It was like, it's a blue exile spell. What's wrong with you?
Are they angry at
It
us?
gets rid of Ugin.
Yeah.
What's wrong with it? Ulamog, sorry.
They might be angry at us.
Why?
Because like me and Jake.
Don't worry, Dave, you were trolling. That's what you're saying. If you do something wrong, you just say you were trolling them.
They just watch 8 racks. They can't. They're watching a game now. I think. I haven't been paying attention. I assume they're
That's
playing.
just rude. That's just paying attention to your own game. What the fuck?
Well, sort of. I was more intrigued what's going on over there.
Oh, damn it.
I'll be having that.
No, I'm fine. Just having it in my deck.
Does
Oh.
anyone own a little
No one
of
can
the
tell the
barrel
difference
they
between
want
orange
to
and
trade?
white. Yeah, let's just do that.
Oh, Frank Tusk, you saved the day.
Frank Tusk, of course
You
you did.
always do. Sure, I was going to put Battle Skull in here, but then everyone
No.
is pointless.
No, it's very cosmetic.
Well, it is because everyone just brings in artifact removal.
Exactly, yeah. In that deck, it is, yeah.
I was just like, oh. What I might play is Resolute Archangel.
Jake, quite sideboarded. I'm
Resolute
particularly
Archangel.
Reset your life total.
7 mana. You're never going to get to that.
This plays 24 lands.
Yeah, but you use smallpox that is away, don't you?
Occasionally, so you loan them back.
Double white, can you do that?
Yeah. Well
What are the
easy.
Age of Ultron boosters? They same price?
Yeah, they're a pound.
Probably no. actually.
You're probably right.
Yeah.
Or X-Men? No, I'll take an Age of Ultron.
Oh, I feed the clown. Fuck it.
Sure.
Fuck, I feed the clown.
And this check.
260.
To be fair, I'm playing white, so I just play that thing you've got. Timely.
Oh yeah, yeah. Brett, do you remember how to play Dice Masters then? Or?
Yes. I had an intro game.
Cool, let's have a game then.
But I haven't got any. You need to loan me.
Jake,
A whole deck.
can you give him some things?
Well, no, I can use these two cards. Come on, my one
Actually,
battle.
want a proper game.
Oh well, I need.
I'll play.
I need a deck and shit.
If you teach me in 5
Jake, can I
minutes.
borrow your mat and thing?
I'll need to actually get the team out.
Yeah, we do.
Is it team for 15 or 20?
We've just been doing 15 mostly. I do have it ready for 20, but everyone else only had 6 guys. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Tom the boss
Oh, I've had one game.
Toby the boss, Ross.
He made me play this deck.
Really?
Yeah.
Nah. Big black deck.
He won a deck with it recently.
Ah.
He won a deck with it. He won on
He
a
won
deck.
a
Want a
deck.
deck with it?
He won a deck with it. The guy said, "Hey, do you want to play for a deck?"
Oh, free defense.
And
He went, I don't have one, so I'll give you one.
he won a deck with it. There was a guy walking around, and he hit him round the head with 8 rag in a box. It was in a steel box, and then he won the deck.
That's how it works.
True story, bro.
He won an event with it recently. It was so awesome. And it's not even got a stair on Bridget.
You can't block the Satana.
8 rack without bridge.
Level 3 Zatanna is cost 1.
Oh!
Who won game 1?
I did.
Who won game 2?
That makes Spider-Woman super.
We're
I
about to
did.
find out.
Oh, so it's a proper
Who won
map?
game 3?
Yeah.
That was me as well.
Oh, 2-1 did it.
The basically break because it's means.
I was so huey.
Lull them into a full sense of security and then BAM!
That's what I do.
So yeah, I'm winning. Yeah, I know. I wanted you to feel that way.
Yeah, I like that.
Where did you get it from?
Just online.
I want myself and my opponent to have all knowledge of his hand.
Which one's that?
Yeah,
Got the
it's
playmat, Grant. Got the playmat.
Yeah.
Mate, it's beautiful.
I can get them in if you want one, Brett.
Can you?
Just as Grant says, no point in stocking too many of them because it's
Yeah,
not,
I know,
it's not
yeah,
the same as
specialised,
yeah.
isn't it?
It's for a really specific game.
No, I think I definitely will. I don't get paid to but yeah. Actually, I'm...
Are you going on Sunday?
I'll go first.
No.
But yeah, but the
From
mat
the
is
country.
beautiful though, James. It's
You're
perfect.
doing what?
In Brazil.
What have you done wrong?
Yeah. Well, basically, when you find out about that guy that got shot, then no, not joking.
There was an incident in Brighton, and
Yeah, I'll keep.
I hope he's okay.
How long's
Me
holiday? Wow.
Yeah, I'll keep this.
I shall keep.
Do Cabinet Souls, Sliver, Green, Virulent Sliver,
Mm-hmm.
yours.
Have a good time.
That's what I do.
I'd love to go to Brazil.
Thought you were about to say yours. Discard yours.
Yeah, Jake.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can transfer some money to you now. How much are they?
I'll need to have a look. I had a look at what I can get. I think they're like 15 quid maybe.
15, yeah?
Something like I'll need to check though, just to make sure that it doesn't cost me 15. Because otherwise, you might as well get it somewhere else.
Yes, they do no
draw.
tricks, Jake. I'm buying from you.
Just go mute a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Green, Predatory Sliver,
Oh, right.
+1/+1.
So I can transfer money over to Jake so I can buy myself a starter. Cool. Yeah, that
Go to combat.
Yeah.
Yeah, because Jake, you're good for, well, I just transfer money over to you.
You're done. Poisonous one.
So, Jake, you've only got...
Stacks.
Yeah, so I
You
might
can do
as well
damage
take
as well, which is what I like about it.
Yeah, because then you can buy these cuts.
And because it's a sliver is the other reason I like it.
And then
You
I
don't
might
use
as
it.
well buy
I'm
two
definitely
extra
planning to do
pieces
a
together.
fan poison deck with these and then the other, the classic.
Oh, actually, no, hang on, mate. You've got Justice.
Because Infect just isn't annoying enough.
No.
Needs to have some shit you've never heard of in it as well.
I got this one.
Wait, Blighted Agent and Virulent Sliver, what is that? What are you playing?
I mix the pieces together very well.
Go to
I
the
can
event
use
and
certain
go,
dice, but I've only got like 2
ask
copies
the
of each one.
judges to read your cards.
I would go for this one personally, just because you can get more packs.
Just want to hire Brian Blessed to go read out one cards every time.
You can mix and match.
You can do, but you're more likely to like,
Sliver
dice that
Hive.
go with that. because that in there it will be like target X-Men or whatever. So yeah, it goes with that. That's what I would do personally. But you can mix and match.
Yeah. One on that. Idabeel.
Mm-hmm.
15, Jake. I'll transfer the money over.
Oh, sweet. Thanks, man. Green on this.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do it now for your sub.
Predatory.
Yeah, we should be able to have a game in that time.
In response.
Yep.
Sack this.
They're only on game 2.
Yeah, I just need to pay Jake's.
Possibly of 2. Life's confidence is waning.
You went first, it's 5.
15, Jake.
In
Yeah.
response.
We keep stealing my stuff. He's playing his deck.
Shall I put reference Brett Dice Masters?
Until you snap across the
Yeah.
back.
Got
I
nothing.
look forward to playing one of you.
Your turn.
Okay, and Jake, if you let me know how much the mat is,
Yeah.
I will transfer some money over.
I'll see which ones I've got in as well. So I've done for each set, but they're not all in stock.
Spies, man.
No, it's, as you can see on Grant's, which one is yours? Like Age of Ultron or something in the middle.
Just have a
Yeah.
picture.
Dude, whichever one
Shock
fits
in.
your fancy, man. I really don't care. Well, let me just quickly.
They had some Spider-Man ones in Forbidden Planet, but it was just 2 red and 2 Spider-Man, and I just didn't care.
So no, people will know this is Spider-Man. I
This
can't
is
have
like
it.
generic-ish, you know. I could have, like, when I was ordering online, I could have had one of anyone, but they, like the DC ones were just rubbish. I went for this one.
I'm just quickly setting up a team. Right.
So you want as many, well, up to 8 cards.
Yeah.
And then up to
We doing
15
3
cards
rounds or 4?
total.
Probably be 3.
And you want 2 of 8
Stuff
cards.
that usually fucks up the
Yeah.
scores.
Including the 3 events.
Jake, for a casual, is it 15 dice?
Yeah, we've been doing 6 cards, 15 dice, and 15 life.
6 cards.
Yeah, 6 cards, 15.
Sliver cycle.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, I'm likely to have 4 copies of each dice, so go up to 8 cards, but just limit to 15 dice. Normally you can have 4 copies of each dice, but you only have 2 of each dice, so do as many characters up to 8, but then obviously you only have 2 dice. It's the same as me, basically, up to 8 slots, but no more than 15.
Yeah. But that doesn't include your
Skill up.
Action now doesn't.
and no labels as well, won't
Mm-hmm.
End to hand. Get a combat.
Mm-hmm.
One down.
Hit.
Yeah.
Sorry, electrolyze it. My go?
Yeah.
Let me just quickly run it back.
Do you need 8 or 4 black and white ones?
You can go up to 4.
2. 3's for the intro game. But it's
Geist?
4
Yeah.
Sack this.
He's loving it.
So what?
For the intro game, it's 3 in the middle.
Just what you've
But
been
for
playing
the actual
recently.
game, you either
I've been playing this deck a hell of a lot, probably for like a year. But then I started playing Twin because it was better, and then I've been dicking around with Scapeshift, so back to this.
I built this yesterday.
I mean, I love this. I love Geist. I loved it in Zoo. It's just a card I really like.
Which is my entire defence if anyone's slagging off what I just tutored for.
Visions?
Yeah.
8
I
characters.
might buy them because they're like 9 quid each now.
Which one?
Yeah, you can only have
Really?
Yeah.
There'll be even less when the deck comes out though, won't
2
it?
actions. Same.
When the Shadow's over in Innistrad.
That's not really reprinted,
Thingy-
is it?
No, that is, yeah, it's one of the commanders in a dual deck.
Oh no, yeah, but it can't be. No, I mean in standard.
Yeah.
Oh, right, no. But it's just they're reprinting the card though. That's why it's gone down.
It looks ugly.
I haven't seen it. Have they released
It
it?
has to be different from mine, obviously.
I just haven't looked at spoilers for ages of anything.
Well, I assume they have because I saw a new version of it a couple of weeks ago.
It wasn't the RPTQ
Oh
one.
no,
End of yours.
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah, it's fine. Not blocking.
Go up to 2.
So, only 2.
Why not?
Ancient Ziggurat.
next to buy, mate.
Exactly. Yeah.
Where is possible.
Say the violin, Monolith. Spends 3, cycle.
Mhm.
Just go predatory, and then use those two. Cast it.
Mhm.
Psychic.
Your turn.
They're the pawns. Isn't
Yeah.
it?
The one.
Slivers was the first deck I ever played against when I got into Magic.
Really?
Mm.
Were they in standard or just someone someone had a deck?
My mate had a deck, and he went, "Play against this." I went, "Okay." I went, "No."
At least it's got creatures and stuff in it. It's not like playing against mill or control or
Well, I
something
don't know,
first.
he had like a turn 3 or 4, everything had hexproof and blah blah blah.
Oh, but yeah, crystalline sliver. Yeah.
And I just went, "Remove it, no, I can't do that." Why? I don't know. I didn't know any of the rules, I didn't know anything, and he tried to get me into it.
This one where they all get shroud.
Yeah.
Yeah. Crystalline sliver. It's the both one of the 3 that you have when your board is untouchable in Commander. Or probably in Legacy if you could actually do it. But you've got indestructible shroud, and if they somehow go to the graveyard, I can choose to put them on top of my library instead. Oh, and they have flying with just those 3 cards.
Can you stop mass exile?
No.
Paul.
Mike,
Yes.
for game day, Tanya's running green-white counters just because she doesn't
Take
play
6.
much standard.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And, like she hasn't played since the new set came out.
Yeah.
That's what
Yeah.
she's used to. Obviously, it's not a deck that's doing as well as it was, say, last standard before. But can you think of anything that would go into it or would be useful to put in with regards to how stuff's changing in the last
So like
few
the
weeks?
hardened scales.
Yeah.
Sideboard obviously can change to like Hallowed Moonlight and stuff,
Yeah.
because you need that.
How many Halloween?
No, I've had to buy mine, but they're like 30p.
Right, do you have any Halloween?
Sure.
You got your folder from Origins.
Yes.
Um,
Might have. Okay,
Common
so
way it runs.
8 pigs, yeah?
What we can, yeah, we're up 15 dice, so each of them have 2, and then just
Fine.
the last one will have 1.
Does it run any removal?
I need 6 each, yeah?
8 days. You got 8 there.
Does it run any removal?
Red.
Mhm.
I know, but
Like silk wraps and snares.
Just
I've got
focus
6,
your
yeah?
lines, that's pretty much it.
Blur sliver.
I'll probably put,
Slivers have haste.
yeah, I'd run snares,
Mhm.
because you need to get rid of the big threats of the
Activate.
late game, and then the early game you could take away certain
Go
Mhm.
combat.
combo pieces.
Yeah, you can run like silver damage, yeah.
Yeah.
6, yeah, I need.
8. You won't have enough dice. You've only got 2 of each dice, 2 of each person. So 6 times 2 will be 12, will be 15. So you'll want 8 like me, or 7.
I can just do 6, though.
Okay, sure, that's fine.
And I
Actually,
get-
I can run 7.
There you go, yeah. That's fine.
When I get home, I'll have a look at the list and see what
Right, let's just crack some
Half
dice
this.
Yeah.
I can recommend.
then.
Yeah,
Well,
take.
5.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
What are you asking, what's in the standard deck?
Yeah, I don't know what the
Your
list
turn.
is, so
So you've got like, it's technically Rococo, I guess, but
it's not a bad idea.
no, it's
Splash blue.
dude, I have no kitty dice.
Put a Reflector Mage in it.
the clear ones, yellow clear.
Cards in hand.
Oh, these?
None.
Yeah, it's got
6.
what, the Undergrowth Champion, Hangout Walkers, one of the first trees, like 1 or 2 of,
It's got the stupid Hydra in it, and
and the 3/2 of Reach, the outside Resolute,
yeah.
Sim Villains.
Mm-hmm.
Rogue's Command. That's pretty much it.
How many
Yeah.
dice in total, bro?
Up to 15. You've got 14 there, so that's fine.
So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
No. Just on the cards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you want to max these out as well.
Well, I can't.
Are you not sure? Oh, these from your booster pack. You might use another guy from your starter set. So I'm looking at whoever the orange dice is and whoever the blue dice or brown dice is.
No, these are cool.
Okay, sure. We'll just run those. That's fine. Right.
So
Cool. So those can go away. You don't need
Green.
Yeah, I know, yeah.
And if you
Gem
need that
hide.
by you, just so you can.
We need some.
Okay, fine.
Yes, we do.
Let's grab some. There's some around here somewhere.
Probably the main board's pretty much set, like,
Activate mutable.
just sideboard.
Go to combat.
The main board
Quickly grab a couple of
doesn't have much leeway.
Can you grab 2 d20s?
What's the total damage coming?
6.
This should be fine. I would
Take
expect to win, just so it's not like a complete wipeout for her, basically.
We don't want to sit there just losing every match.
Exactly.
Did I do something wrong? What was I on?
I should be fine.
You're
Oh,
on 12.
oh yes, I go down to 6.
For me, I'm probably going to run that colourless list rather than random one.
Click
so
me?
I have more success, but I'm not
Yeah.
sure.
Have you got the cards?
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
GG.
If you want to borrow anything, just let me know.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
Have you got it on?
At least you didn't have the mana for it.
Yeah, I should just see it from different.
My go?
Yeah, you just have to beam me with what you already had.
Cool. If we can go first.
You're obviously running your foil plugs.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got so much flying.
Okay, I've only had one previous game, but do
I've
I
done a couple, so-
clear? Draw?
Yeah, there's no clear.
Don't shake his hand.
Before damage is dealt, Flash and Restoration Angel blink this.
I
Yeah,
know.
but he can see this.
Yeah,
We
but
did this after the game.
I'm going to target me, I'm going to target Verdict, and I'm going to draw this, and I'm going to bolt you. Slapcaster.
So
I'm taking this.
Okay.
In response to you proceeding, taking your most loved card.
It's my favourite card ever.
So I think if I took your playmat, that would probably be more of a dagger, wouldn't it?
I would be more sad about my playmat.
Oh, that's fair enough.
Ah!
Well, if you don't care about your cards, it's just be more of a troll. Just